Right Honourable Carwyn Jones, First Minister for your Wales. Thank you.
Afternoon all, thanks for the invitation to come here to officially open this new campus. What a fantastic building it is. All of you out there, up there on the steps, up on the different levels, you must be proud to be here. I've had a quick look around the building and the space is fantastic. It's a nice bright building and I know it's going to be a great place for everybody to be in the years to come. I know that this building will be somewhere that people will enjoy coming to. We know that people are coming to the shops already from outside. This is going to be a great place to learn in. It's going to be a great place to teach in. It's going to be a great place to visit, and it's going to be a great facility for all the people who live in this part of Wales. So all I'm going to say is the best of luck to you all in the future, in whatever you do. And remember, there are no limits to what you can do. Follow your dreams, and we'll be right behind you. Enjoy your time while you're here in this college, and I'm looking forward to seeing many, many people come through here and enjoying great success for many, many years to come. Thanks very much.